Welcome to Tammy's Ripen Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare my bananas. And I will say the most important part of my banana prep is so we have bananas frozen for our smoothies every morning. I do have a smoothie video, I'll link that above. So just a sneak peek of all the delicious bowls you can make once you do get your bananas frozen and ready to go. Alright, so let's get into the freezing of these bananas. So typically I buy a case and it costs me no more than $26 and it will last us probably 2 weeks. Brown spots you see are exactly the way you want them. What I do, I put them downstairs in my basement, take the lid off, and I put a blanket on top. This does help them ripen within about 5 to 7 days. Alright, so one side of the sink we use for the bananas, the other side we're going to use for the peels, and then all the peels are going to go right into the box that are at our feet, and it's a nice easy prep. It doesn't take a lot of space and it doesn't make a big mess. Alright, so here you'll see the steps that we take to freeze all our bananas, and I hope you enjoy this video. So here I take the knife and I just slice down the center of each bin of bananas. The bananas are all peeled, and now all the peels will just go into the same box the bananas came in. This took us under 10 minutes basically to do the whole case, so it really doesn't take a lot of time. And there we go, all ready to go into the freezer for the week and ready for our delicious smoothies and ice cream bowls. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.